Today I am going to discuss the continuation of the chapter decimals. The topic is comparing decimals. How to compare decimals or how to tell which decimal is greater, which decimal is smaller. To find, first we compare the whole part and then compare the fractional part. Here is the question 0.07 and 0.1. The whole part is 0 or equal. Fractional part is 0.07 and 0.1. The place value of this decimal is 100. So we change this decimal fractional part up to 100. That means 0.07 and 0.10. 0.07 means 7 by 100. Here 10 by 100. These two fractions are like fractions. So we consider the numerator 7 and 10. 7 is smaller than 10. So 0.07 is smaller than 0.1. Next question is 32.55 and 32.5. 32.5 is written 32.55. 32.5 is written as 32.50. That means 55 by 100, 50 by 100. 55 by 100 is greater than 50 by 100. So the answer is 32.55 is greater than 32.5. Next question is 1 and 0.99. 1 can be written as 1.00 and 0.99. First we compare the whole part. The whole part is 1 and 0. 1 is greater than 0. So the answer is 1 is greater than 0.99. Let's do some more exercise. That means innings 8.3. Question is, which is greater? First question, 0.3 or 0.4. Here the whole part is 0. Fractional part is 3 and 4. That means 3 by 10, 4 by 10. These two fractions are like fractions. So we consider the numerator 3 and 4. 3 is smaller than 4. So 0.4 is greater. Next question is 0.07 or 0.02. Here the whole part is 0. So we compare the fractional part. The fractional part is 0.07 and 0.02. The place value of both decimals are equal. That means 7 by 100, 2 by 100. Or 7 by 100, 2 by 100. 7 by 100 is greater than 2 by 100. The answer is 0.07 is greater. Next question is question number C. 3 or 0.8. 3 is the whole number. That means 3.0, 0.8. The whole part of both decimal is 3, 0. 3 is greater than 0. So the answer is 3. Next question is 0.5 or 0.05. Here the whole part is 0. Both decimals are 0. So compare the fractional part. The fractional part is 5 and 0.5. Here the fractional part has 2 place value. So we change the fractional part up to 100. That means 10th 100. So 0.50. This question is 0.05. 0.50 means 50 by 100. 0.05 means 5 by 100. 50 by 100 is greater than 5 by 100. So 0.5 is greater decimal. Next question is 1.23 or 1.2. The whole part of both decimals are equal. That means 1 equal to 1. The fractional part is 23 by 100. Here 20 by 100. 23 by 100 is greater than 20 by 100. So the answer is 1.23 is greater than 1.2. Next question is 0.099 or 0.19. The whole part of both decimals are equal or 0. So we compare the fractional part. That means 99 by 1000, because the place value of the fractional part is 1000. The next one is 190. 190 by 1000. 190 by 1000 is greater than 99 by 1000. So the answer is 0.19. 1.490. Whole part is equal. Fractional part is 431 divided by 1000. Here 490 by 1000. 490 by 1000 is greater than 431 by 1000. So 1.490 is greater than 1.431. Next question is 3.3 or 3.300. The whole part of both decimals are equal. That means 3 equal to 3. The fractional part is 3 and 300. 300 by 1000. Here 300 by 1000. 300 by 1000 is equal to 300 by 1000. So 3.3 is equal to 3.300. Next question. 5.64 or 5.63603. Here the whole part is equal. That means 5 equal to 5. The fractional part is 640 by 1000. Here 603 by 1000. 640 by 1000 is greater than 603 by 1000. So 5.64 is greater than 5.603. I hope you all can understand the topic comparing decimals. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.